Nag-wonder ba ka if naay celebration diri sa Pilipinas about drug awareness? Naa ba? Kung curious ka, watch until the end because I'll be discussing to you about Drug Abuse Prevention and Control Week. Ug kung sabay na ani. By the way, my name is Dr. Junes. I'm a nurse by profession and a rehab practitioner by specialty. Again, tanan na to istoryahan diri is for information, awareness, and educational purposes only and is not intended to replace any actual or complicated na mga scenarios. Alright? And for today's discussion, FYI, awareness na siya para sa tanan, no? Para at least makabaluta nga ga-exist na siyang ginatawag nato nga DAPC or Drug Abuse Prevention and Control Week. Now, Drug Abuse Prevention and Control Week is a ginatawag nato nga annual observance diri sa Pilipinas nga ga-aim gyud siya to raise awareness, no, about mga dangers sa ginadili nga droga and of course any other substances, and ga-promote siya mga initiatives like to prevent and control substance misuse or abuse. Now, do take note nga kaning ginatawag nato nga DAPC or Drug Abuse Prevention and Control Week. This one was established under Proclamation number 124 nga gipirmahan sa tuang former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. And this one was signed in 2001 as a celebration sa drug awareness. And again, this is being done every third week of November. And we are so lucky that for this year, ang atuang theme is to prioritize evidence-based approach in drug abuse prevention and control. No, so basically, gay na point out sa atuang theme na all the things that we are doing or should be doing will be evidence-based. Dili ta basta-basta magbuhat og care, therapy, or even the drug awareness if kanis nilang gipang ingon nato is without evidence. Alright? And mainly ang objectives aning ginatawag nato nga DAPC or the Drug Abuse Prevention and Control Week is education and awareness, no, to mainly increase public knowledge about sa mga dautan nga mahatag sa illegal nga droga sa usa ka tao, sa isa ka pamilya, or even sa komunidad kung asa siya. Also, the objective includes the advocacy, no, for a drug-free society. Encourage jud nga naay ginatawag nato nga collective action nga tanan magalihok, no, para suklan ning ginadili nga droga through different community engagement, no, o kaning mga partnership and mga stakeholders nga ato ang gina-make use. And of course, there's what we call a rehabilitation support wherein ina-highlight, no, ang mga available na to nga mga resources o mga programa nga makatabang sa mga tao nga na-affected sa aning ginatawag nato nga ginadili nga droga. And of course, apil na ani ang mga inpatient rehabilitation, outpatient rehabilitation, and of course ang ilahang reintegration back sa ato ang community. And lastly, there is this what we call policy support as one of our objectives because it will strengthen, no, pahinusgan niya ang pag-implementar sa mga drug-related policies and mga kailangan i-amend para ma-implement ni siya, no, para at least kung naamang balaod, at least ang tanan magasunod nga muli kay jud sa ginadili nga droga. Ang mga activities ani mo depende ni siya, no, sa institution nga gusto celebrate aning Drug Abuse Prevention and Control Week. So naatay mga different lectures and seminars, and of course apil na ani ang mga ill effects of drugs, mga prevention strategies, ug siguro mga involvement, no, sa ato ang komunidad kung pwede mabuhat para at least makatabang nga malikayan ni siyang mga ginadili nga droga. We also have different like community outreach programs wherein makig-collaborate ang usa ka institution sa eskwelahan or sa local government unit or sa different organizations para at least mas spread din siyang ginatawag na nga awareness against illegal drugs. And most especially na ay ginatawag na youth engagement, like mag-refer ni siya sa mga activities that would include like poster making, mga slogan contests, and mga youth forums na mag-involve og participation from our younger generation to again prevent the spread of drug misuse. Also, we have the different recognitions of stakeholders, pag-acknowledge sa mga organizations, mga individuals, or communities nga nakakontribute sa ato ang ginatawag nga drug prevention efforts. And finally, isa sa mga activities nga pwede nyo kay buhaton ani is that rehabilitation program promotions an information dissemination no, about like mga available na to nga recovery and support programs nga pwede maduulan or sudlan sa ato ang mga recovering drug dependents para at least ma-maintain ang ilang sobriety ug dili na sila mobalik sa ginadili na droga. And of course, kini siya nga simana no, because again it is being held every third week. This one here serves as a platform mo ni siya ang pamaagi nga magka-unite no, magkaisa ang tanan nga mga sectors, and also apil na diri ang mga government agencies, especially the Dangerous Drugs Board, the lawmaking body nato diri sa Pilipinas about especially focusing on RA 9165 or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. Also the same goes with the Department of Health, mga educational institutions, mga local communities no, and any other agencies and institutions na pwede nato matap like sa police and the BFP or the DepEd, any institution nga pwede jud maka-promote aning awareness against illegal drugs. For my place no sa DOH Treatment and Rehabilitation Center Cagayan de Oro, for the whole week we actually started by acknowledging the celebration as a reminder for the staff and the residents, mga recovering drug dependents namo, that addiction is really a problem and it needs to be looked after no, nga dapat ma-control ni siya and dili na siya mapalabian no. And we started on a Monday by doing a aside from the celebration, we did a torch lighting, because for the rest of the weeks, for the rest of the days, for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we actually did a sports event sa ang mga residents. We did badminton, and then we did basketball, and did volleyball as well to the residents sa DOH-TRC CDO, and we've made use of the sport as a diversion no, and as a lesson nga we need to stay healthy and we can always do something else and stay away from drugs, right? And it was successfully being made. And at the end, sa Friday, during our closing, the institution, the DOH-TRC CDO, did a closing lectures that to sa Ayala Centrio Mall. It's a famous mall here in Cagayan de Oro, wherein different lectures were taught related to drug addiction, to mental health, and the things that we need to know with ourselves para at least aware ta kung say dagan sa ato ang body and sa ato ang mind, and unsay pwede nato nga buhaton in our day-to-day activities para makali kayo sa droga. These lectures were done by colleagues no nga naka-contribute og so much sa rehab center. So we had Dr. Liavore for the ill effects and for the mental health and other advocacies na pwede natong pahimuslan. We had Doc Yayat de la Peña. We also had Ma'am Neri Buot, and we also had Ma'am Jo, and they all discussed very well, very very professional kayo ilang pag-discuss with regards to how things were in the rehab and how things will be if mag-push through ta aning drug addiction, and how we should handle ourselves in terms of mental health. And in the afternoon, we also had a quiz bowl. We went to about 22 schools na nag-participate no in a quiz bowl that was specific for drug addiction. And we were fortunate that these students were so brilliant and so smart that they were able to answer our questions. But overall, among the 22 participating schools, the top 3 were declared as the ultimate champions for this year's Quiz Bowl competition. Garnering the third place was with Liceo de Cagayan University High School, and also with the second place was with Oro Grace School, and garnering as the champion was with Corpus Christi School. So congratulations aning mga school na was able to perform very well. And I was also very happy to have been able to become the quiz master for that day, and was able to witness how amazing these schools are in terms of drug awareness. Alright? So hopefully namin natun-an sa ato ang DAPC know-how. And if you do have questions or comments or clarifications, feel free to comment down below. Do not forget to hit on the like, the notification bell, and of course, the subscribe button. Okay? So, enjoy the rest of the week and always remember, sulay-sulay ta og gugma pero ayaw lang yun sulay og droga. Ayo-ayo diha. Hi! Ganun ba ka sa video yung nakita karon? If so, do not forget to hit on the like, share, and subscribe button. And of course, apila na lang po ang notification bell para at least ma-inspire ko nga magpadayon og buhat sa mga ing-ani nga klase nga videos. And also, maka-reach out ta og more people na gusto ma-sober, gusto maka-prevent og relapse, also maka-control sa ilang addiction, and syempre, katong gusto og peace of mind. Alright? Again, hit the like, share, subscribe, and notification bell. Take care now.